Welcome to the demo of our language translator app. This also uses OpenAI's model. This time it is using GPT 3.5 Turbo. It is the most cost effective model. So for the demo purpose I am using that. For actual application one can use more advanced, faster and more versatile models which have support for more languages. Even this GPT 3.5 Turbo had support for I think more than 120 or so languages. So this is a good, useful, small utility which we use in our uh, consultancy. Again, the reason is people may say that yes, Google Translate is available. What is the problem? You just uh, copy paste your input and get the output. It is true for, but for data science profession, the confidentiality of client's data is very important. So everything has to be done in-house as much as possible. If we want to use Google Translate, we have to purchase Google Translate API. Compared to that, this is more simple version. Second thing is that we, in another project, we had made one transcriber app which took audio file as input and produced the text output in the same language as the input audio language. So if input audio is in German, output will be in German text. If input audio is in French, output will be text in French language. If input audio is English, output will be English text. But sometimes we need one more functionality. Okay, you have got the output in German or French language, but suppose the end user understands only English. So what to do? Or in countries like India, people may like to read things in their uh, native language or regional language like Gujarati, Hindi, Tamil, or other languages. So we may need to translate language from one to another. So this is one very simple app. Let me first show you the demo of the app. So a very simple user interface is created, and in that user interface, I have just browsed to one particular file. I have already kept that file ready, so I am showing you that file first as the on your screen. Okay, so that file is okay. It's not there. Maybe I will have to open it first. But let me show you first what is that file in English language. So it is here. This is that language. Okay, so this is now the file is open, and here the file is somewhere at I think now I can show you on the, yes, this is the file. It is about history of India. India is a land of ancient civilization. India's social, economical and cultural configuration, products of long process of regional expansion, and so on and so forth. So, and I have chosen a simple and most widely used Microsoft DOCX, that is Microsoft Word's format. Okay, so this is a file, and now I want to translate it into some output languages, target languages. Here we have provided four target languages: Gujarati, Hindi, Spanish, and French. Let me first choose French, and I click translate button, and you will see on the output that here it is French output, history de, data inde. La inde is une. I'm sorry, but I don't know much French, but this is how it has been converted into French language. Then this is Spanish, and this time very quickly the output will change. Yeah, Historia de la India. La India is una tierra de antigua civilization. So this time it is converted into Spanish. Let me convert into Indian languages only. Say Hindi. This is India's national language. So English to Hindi translation is often required. GPT 3.5 Turbo takes some more time compared to French or Spanish for English to Hindi translation, but it will do it successfully. भारत का इतिहास। भारत प्राचीन सभ्यता का देश है। भारत की सामाजिक, आर्थिक और सांस्कृतिक रूपरेखाएं क्षेत्रीय विस्तार की एक दीर्घ प्रक्रिया के परिणाम से है। भारतीय इतिहास इंडस घाटी सभ्यता की जन्म से और आर्यों के आगमन से शुरू होता है। ओके, एंड सो फॉर। एंड फाइनली गुजराती। Gujarati also will take time, but it also does it fairly accurately. You can see, I think it's not visible, but for some time this app is showing that non-responding or not responding. So in a more versatile version of this app, I had to provide for something like batch input and so on, and it was capable of translating a large file of up to around 80 pages or so in one go. Okay. Here in ગુજરાતી ભારતનો ઇતિહાસ. ભારત એક પ્રાચીન સભ્યતાનો દેશ છે. ભારતનું સામાજિક, આર્થિક અને સાર્વજનિક વ્યવસ્થાનું રૂપ પ્રદેશ વિસ્તારના એક લાંબા પ્રક્રિયાનું ઉત્પાદન છે. So a simple app which can translate from one to another, and as I said, with another project which converted audio into text, now we can convert that text into text in other language. And I even clubbed all these projects into one large project, and that we are using frequently. And if some client is interested, we can implement it for them even as a web-based platform. Thank you.